Bismillah. Begin today's production. Harvest is going smoothly. MashaAllah, the cotton is ready. Load safely. Bismillah. Bismillah. Let's begin the journey. Welcome. Proceed inside. Unload carefully. Prepare every bale carefully.
Quality approved. Alhamdulillah.
Cleaning system is running perfectly. Fibers are perfectly aligned.
Premium fibers approved.
Yarn quality looks excellent.
Every cone meets our standards.
Ready for dyeing. Prepare the premium colors. Color consistency is perfect. Wash every yarn carefully. Drying is complete. Ready for weaving. Bismillah. Loom is ready. Bismillah. Weaving has begun.
MashaAllah, beautiful design.
Border weaving complete.
Alhamdulillah, weaving is perfect. Quality approved. Alhamdulillah.
Precision cutting complete. Edges are perfectly stitched. Tassels look perfect.
Alhamdulillah, perfect finish.
Folding complete. Wrapping is complete. Seal is secure.
Ready for shipment.
Cartons are ready. Seal every carton securely. Pallet is complete. Store pallet in row A. Export order confirmed. Truck cleared for loading. Load with precision. Ready to seal. Cargo secured. Export seal confirmed. Allah Hafiz. Safe journey.
Cargo cleared for export.
Shipment received.
Ready for our customers. جميع الأيسن فين هوني ريفور بسيط أوزفايبهم.
Excellent choice. Excellent choice.
Alhamdulillah. Today we proudly present our premium prayer mat collection.
Excellent teamwork. Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Premium craftsmanship.
الحمد لله.
Welcome anytime. Keep everything spotless. Maintenance complete. Maintenance complete. Allah Hafiz.
الله حفيظ.